Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will show you how you can change body positions in Photoshop. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So first open your image in Photoshop, and after this press Ctrl J for Windows and Command J for Mac to duplicating the layer. So when you duplicate the layer, just go to Properties section and here scroll down and then click here Remove Background. So it will automatically remove the image background like this, you can see. Next, hide the upper layer, and then by holding Ctrl for Windows and Command for Mac and click on Layer Mask, so it will automatically select the image. Now select the lower layer, go to Edits, and here click Content Aware Fill. So it will remove the selection from the background. Here you can see preview, so just click OK. Then disable a selection from here, select and deselect. Now enable the upper layer, select upper layer, right click and convert this layer into Smart Object by clicking here Convert to Smart Object. So after this, again go to Edit and select Puppet Wrap. Now pin the body parts which you want to stay at its original position. So I pin like this. I just move little bit, and now I want her head on his shoulder, so just pin the head and move like this. So guys, let's try Puppet Wrap for another image. So like before, just create duplicate layer by Command J for Mac, then go to Properties and from here remove background. So now hide the layer and by holding Command just select the mask. So now select the lower layer, go to Edit and select Content Aware Fill. And this upper layer convert to Smart Object. So again go to Edit and from here select Puppet Wrap. Point some parts of this man. And now by holding these points you can move his leg like this. Or if you want to move his leg in circle, then for Mac just hold Option and now you can move the man in like this in circle just by holding Option for Mac, and for Windows just hold Alt button. So here on right side in layers you can see before and after image by clicking this eye icon. So this image is before applying Puppet Wrap and this image after applying Puppet Wrap. So from here you can check before and after image. Hope you guys understand how you can change body positions by using Puppet Wrap in Photoshop. If you have any question regarding to this video, just ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.